Hi, I'm Nana Linda and I want to welcome you to my kitchen. Today we are going to celebrate Travel Tuesday and we are going to make bulgogi. Bulgogi is a Korean dish. I was blessed to have lived in Hawaii for almost 4 years, and during that time I lived right down the street from a little Korean barbecue place, and I was introduced to bulgogi and I fell in love. Okay, I fell in love. It is a Korean barbecue dish. It has just a little bit of sweetness to it. It's not super sweet, but we're going to talk first about the tools that we're going to need to prepare this dish. And every kitchen should have at least one set of measuring spoons. I usually keep 2 handy because if I'm doing a lot of different measurings, then I might want another one. Same for measuring cups. I only have one set out right here on my cutting board, which is another tool that you will need. At a good cutting board, I have several, but I do have more than one set of measuring cups handy. I'm going to go right over here and grab this. I also have a couple of these nice Pyrex. I have a 2-cup and a 1-cup Pyrex measuring cup for liquids, and you need at least that. You don't need a lot of tools to have a good kitchen or an efficient kitchen, but for this particular recipe we're going to use a garlic press. You can cut it by hand. You don't have to have a garlic press. But I also like to have a paring knife. And this right here is, it's called, what is it called? It's microplane, but it's like a little mini grater. It's gonna be, we're gonna make some ginger in this. I'll just leave the guard off of that. You need a good utility knife. And then we are also going to use a potato peeler or carrot peeler. And we're going to cut some thin sliced carrots. Now again, you can do that with a knife, but it's really handy to use the proper tools. And then you always need a good set of tongs. These we'll use when we do the marinade, but I've also got some metal tipped tongs for when we actually do the frying of the bulgogi. And then it's nice to have these little prep bowls for different things. We're going to get our garlic ready and our ginger, so I'll have those handy for that. And another thing that you need is a good set of bigger prep bowls. These are actually Tupperware. It was the Tupperware stack cooker set, and I was a Tupperware lady forever ago, and I have a nice set of those with some extra pieces. So I use these. I don't really do the microwave cooking with them. I use these for prepping, and they're really handy, a good size, but you can use whatever you want for your prep bowl. One more tool we're going to use in this video, and that is el molcajete. Now I'm going to scoop some of this other stuff out of the way so you can see my molcajete. I did buy this in Mexico forever ago, and some people have a sweet molcajete and a one for seasonings like black pepper and cumin. This is my spicy one. So I use it for crushing garlic, and we're going to use the garlic press today though. And for crushing black pepper, but we're going to have some red pepper leaves, or flakes, I'm sorry, in this video, so in this recipe. And we're going to use the molcajete for that. So that's the tools that I've got ready, and then in just a minute I will show you the ingredients we're going to need.